Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I just want to show you how I've been cleaning up some coins. They look kind of like this one on the top, and then when I'm done, they're very, very nice looking, and it's very simple. I've tried different things like warm soapy water and soaking them and letting them sit and all that, and it really doesn't do the trick. What I found that works best is to just get some of the fast orange. It's a little bit abrasive, but it's not going to hurt these coins. I wouldn't do this on like a gold coin or something, but I'll just show you how fast and easy it is just to put some down here and then just scrub it with a toothbrush. So there you go, wipe it off. And you can see still a little ways to go on it, but cleans it up really nice. That's what it looked like before. And I tried doing this with soap and it wouldn't do much at all. So the pumice is abrasive enough to clean it. It has the degreaser in it for your hands and everything like that. So it's good enough. I don't think it hurts the coin any. And so once again, I wouldn't try it on any antique coins, but if you have any that are looking like this, then it might be something to consider. This is one that I had cleaned up. It was so black I couldn't even read the year, and it was really cool to see that it was 1944. To think about how old that is, to think about what was going on in the world at that time with World War II. Where was this penny? There's just a lot of history in these coins, and you can still find older ones like this in circulation. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've cleaned coins and anything that may have worked for you. This is working the fastest and the easiest for me. And maybe it's not worth my time to be cleaning pennies, but it is a relaxing thing. It's gratifying to renew something that is perfectly fine, just dirty. It's nice to kind of bring it back to how it was and enjoy the character and all of the design and everything that went into these coins. So anyway, thanks for watching.